Create a rectangular piece based on selected elements using piece from rectangle. After starting the macro, an editor appears, allowing you to change parameters for the new piece. Set the width, seam allowance, and extensions of the elements. The orientation of the stripe line and of the piece can be changed as well. Check the picture on the right side of the window for reference. The scale of the attachment seam can be edited using 3 different settings. A percentage can be entered to increase or decrease the length in all sizes. Alternatively, an absolute value can be set, which will be applied to all sizes. With the last option, an absolute value is used for the sample size, scaling the value proportionally in the other sizes. Once all settings have been confirmed, click OK. In the next step, the elements needed as a reference for the length need to be selected in the correct order. Collect the elements with a right click and select the last element with a left click. Elements can be selected multiple times if needed. A new pattern piece will be generated and can be placed using the left mouse button